Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? Okay, my name is Anissa Nurul Badriyah. I want to present here a journal that is been analysis with the title of the journal being a literature review of snail pruritus from diagnosis to treatment. Prefacial, we will read Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When identify the picture of the journal, order to get picture in journal, we must know in and fact that is a method of finding clinical information which is an acronym of 4 components: name, patient, population, problem, intervention, prognosis factor, exposure, comparison, control, outcome. 2. How is the problem identified and formula? Not formula, as a researcher does not have a specific method. 3. What was the objective of study? The purpose of the study is to understand the complaints of the community, separate and monitor the level of prevalence of the disease within the community area. 4. What was the hypothesis of the study? Pruritus often occurs in the elder population, but it has not been fully determined, and its prevalence is not now. This paper reviews the literature on snail pruritus to increase understanding of this condition and to enable better diagnosis and treatment. 5. Formula. The clinical question of the study. In analyzing, a researcher must have a method. 6. What was the study design used by the researcher? The design of this natural researcher is to use interview with several people who have snail disease in the hospital area. 7. When and where was the study conducted? Keywords: snail, elderly, age, pruritus. 8. How were the setting and subject determined? How was the sample drawn? As the subject in advance for approval and the researcher is interested in taking the area. 9. What type of instrument were used in this study? The instrument was carried out by the researcher conducting the method and giving the Minister of Health about sanity and monitoring the prevalence that occurred in the area of the hospital. 10. Mention the inclusion and exclusion criteria of the patient. Okay, snail pruritus can be defined as a chronic it in a person aged 65 years or older with no etiology determined by an appropriate examination and check-up. Although a clear and consensual definition is lacking, it is a diagnosis of exclusion. 11. How was the study procedure conducted? This examination is complete with chest radiograph and abdominal ultrasound. Biopsy for histopathology can be done if there is an unidentified skin lesion. 12. How was the data gathered? Who gathered the data? Okay, worldwide. Some study found various prevalence of pruritus in elderly population as follow. You can see PPT. 13. What technique of analysis was used by the researcher? Okay, Maitland and Cochrane data were searched using the following combination of medical subject headings: snail pruritus or elder pruritus or elderly and idiopathic pruritus. This search was limited to human data and English, French or Spanish language article on patients older than 65 years. 14. What were the results like? Frequent washing and the use of astringent soap may exacerbate itching. Avoiding alkaline swab, excessive bathing, hot baths, irritant fabrics, dry air condition, and use of occlusive bandaging may help. Pruritus is responsible for a vicious cycle of itching and stretching, and thus measure as well as emulsion and antipruritic creams may help to break this cycle. And educational multidisciplinary training program was successfully proposed to many retired patients. 15. What were the strength and weakness of the study? Okay, the strength of the researcher is that all the methods and data that are valid are completely clear and very detailed. 16. Was where there any side effect of the study? If there were explain it them. Okay, the side effect of this research is that it must consider the result data that is managed with validity. 17. What was the conclusion of the study? Okay, pruritus is frequent in the elderly population. Although an interesting study show that a gait was not significantly associative with chronic pruritus when the outcome was current pruritus or pruritus within the last 12 months. That's all from my explanation. Are there any question? Alright, if there is a need, I close by reading Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.